Moon in Virgo, the message in our lunar rhythms, in our cycles of flow from the universe, this message to me is clear. Slow down, clean up. Whether we like it or not, we have to slow down. Virgo moon is saying, take care of detail, clean up, don't let anything stick to you. We're taking care of detail in our spiritual world, cleaning up our inner world, and making sure nothing negative sticks to our ordered inner harmony. Only new shiny habits raise our vibrations. We're coming out of Leo after the radiance of the moon in Leo, the heart and the instincts being in harmony for a glorious moment. What are the questions the stars are asking us? I think there's a big message here for the Pluto in Leo generation, of which I am, and that would be those born between 1939 and 1957. We are going to, in the coming few weeks, I'd say up to 3 weeks, we can expect a loving epiphany. So, for example, my Pluto is at 23 degrees Leo. At some stage over the next few hours, I'm recording this while the moon is at 18 degrees of Leo. At some stage, I'm going to have my monthly pushing the buttons of my karma, and I probably won't sleep tonight. Something will set me on fire and I'll be awake for hours. But also, so depending on where your degrees are in Leo of your Pluto, you can expect that. So mine might be, say, 2 weeks' time. You can work that out yourself, you know. The reason why I'm saying that, and I'm going to say more about it this week, and I have to say thank you very much to one of the spiritual guides that I follow. We are going to have to listen and work this out. Our energy, the energy of our generation, think about the 60s and early 70s, okay? This is the energy we're still coming off of, which changed our thinking, changed the direction of the world, what we will accept, our creativity. Call it what you will. Not accepting war and the various ways we found to bring in revolution, mostly through music, lifestyle, creativity. So the message from the generations now that are going to have to take the world forward is your energy set us on fire. Is it too much to ask for that back? We, as the Pluto in Leo generation, are supposed to remember that one glorious moment, which was love is everything. You are the divine child. We have to say, love, yes, love is all. We do love you enough. If we don't do it, they will say to us, why didn't you tell us? And it's not good enough for us to say, we thought you knew. Because, as we know, humanity has a very short memory span. So I think Moon in Virgo, for many of us, a lot of slowing down, a lot of taking care of detail, is about taking responsibility for it, for our blessings and our curses, you know, and doing some deep inner listening. As they say in Ireland, this is the week that's in it. So the detail of our SuZen sitting. It's to teach you the technique. It's also to teach you there is no goal. It's also to teach you the only reason to do this is to realize who you truly are. Our practice is under this rhythm. There's nothing like Zen to teach us how to think differently. So I'm supporting you with a simple introduction to Zen video, and with the not to teaching from one of my satsangs. And also I've put the link below in the description box for my blog on Buddha is not a person. So this is our new moon cycle for sowing new seeds. I'll teach you the first session in sitting Zazen. And as I tune into the energies, I'll upload practice for you. This is coming to me right now, but it's coming from the Divine Mother. It's very much about can't quite put my finger on this at the moment. It's extremely ancient feminine energy that's coming through, you know, from a few of our bigger cycles ago. So not Pisces, not Aries. You know that our bigger cycles of 2,000 years go backwards in the astrological sun cycle. So the last one was Pisces. Before that was Aries. So it's coming from the Taurus, the bull cycle, and that's resonating with me very much. So at the moment, right now, this is coming to me as only a glimmer, and I'm going to spend some time recording that and uploading that for you to support our new path of being with these lunar mansions of the goddess in our daily flow, in our cycle, which takes us month in, month out. But we've seen already, you know, the wisdom of the mother and how our awareness changes and how our inner rhythms change every month with this profound practice. So namaste. This is for your healing. And please do check the description box below for the usual links, social media links, and please do subscribe and share, and the link is there for donations. One of these days I'm going to make a video on what the importance of a master not taking payment and the energy around donations and how we deal with that level of support. But right now I'm tuned in to this energy for you. So namaste. This is for your healing. SuZen.